Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, hill assist system, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2014 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, navigation from telematics, MP3 player, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.